Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fall Guys error code 10. The error reads, "Could not download assets. Please connect to the internet." As per our research, the error appears when users try to launch the Fall Guys mobile app on Android. It prevents the game from downloading necessary assets and starting properly. According to our research, this error may come due to compatibility issues, a custom ROM, or some device-related restrictions. First, check if your device meets the minimum requirements to run the game. If it doesn't, the error may continue to appear. Also, if your phone has a custom ROM or an unlocked bootloader, this might be causing the issue. So try using a device with the official OS version and see if that works. If the error still shows up, wait for some time and try again later. If the issue continues, then consider reaching out to the game's support and report the problem. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.